In this video, I'm just going to show you the single dumbest thing associated with using groups for self-service with Office 365. And it stems from one simple flaw in the user experience for integrating groups into Outlook. Here I am on my people or contacts list. I have a number of contacts here, and I want to create a new group for distribution group for talking about the car park. I want to have a bit of a natter. I want to reach out to 4 or 5 people, and I'm just going to deal with that. So I don't want to create a new contact. The very next thing on the list is add a new group. And then there's this really big button that says a new contact group, which doesn't kind of make sense, and the name underneath it doesn't really say anything. But if I look at this group, it says create a new group, provides conversations, documents, and group calendaring. Most people never read the tooltip. So the first thing they're going to do is come in here, click on new group, offer it a new name. Oh look, it's given me an alias. That must be what I want. For anyone in here, no, I'm going to invite people, and I'm going to add the people to it as we go. Job done. And then as soon as it comes back, it says, oh, who do I want to add? Well, I might want to add my colleague Duncan. So we'll just add Duncan, and I might want to add Mark, because we all have cars. Don't really do anything else here. And here's what 99% of the population will think they have just done. They have created a distribution list for inside their own email contacts. I press go, and away it goes. What I don't realize at this point is I've gone away and created a SharePoint, a Microsoft Office 365 Office group with a SharePoint site, a calendar, an email alias of all of its own, notebook, planner, and a whole range of other tools associated, when what I actually wanted to do was select a contact group, add some members, and save. The difference is barely noticeable from anybody who has no understanding of how the technology goes together. Behind the scenes, we'll now be able to see that under our groups we now have a full-on group discussion site.